Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. It's your girl Beloved and I'm back with a new recipe for the channel. Beloved Catering Service is a business where we make all kinds of cakes, butter cookies, shortbread cookies, coconut biscuits, sugar cookies, brownies, ring donuts, meat pies, samosas, spring rolls, and all kinds of fruit drinks and fruit juices, especially sobolo. We also make all local rice dishes and Ghanaian authentic dishes. We cater for all events and occasions and any form of gatherings. You can contact us with the information provided on your screen. In today's video, we are baking milk shortbread cookies. Ingredients for today's milk shortbread cookies include 250 grams of butter, 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence, 1 cup of icing sugar, 3/4 cup of milk powder, 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and a 1/4 tablespoon of powdered salt. Before that, I would be very happy if you could subscribe to my channel right now and then turn on your post and notification icon so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video onto the channel. And please share my videos with your friends and family. Please subscribe. Let's begin. With the aid of a scissors, cut the butter out of the sachet and then place it into the mixing bowl which we'll be using. Now place a sieve on top of the mixing bowl and then pour into it the flour. Sift it onto the butter and add in the baking powder, the cornstarch and the salt. Now combine all the ingredients together until the butter gives the ingredients mix an off-yellow color. Continue mixing until the dough starts to come together in small pieces, which can be folded. Now knead the dough and try folding it into a ball shape with the aid of your hands. Knead, press together and fold continuously until it gives you a round ball shape. And when it breaks out of itself or breaks into two, it gives this crumbly effect, meaning that our our shortbread cookies will have a very delicious and crumbly effect. Now cover it with cling film and let it sit in the fridge for 30 minutes. Pick up the baking sheet which will be used in baking the shortbread cookies and then smear a tablespoon of butter on it. Now remove the dough from the fridge and break it into about 4 to 5 pieces and lay it on the sheet which will be used in baking it. Ensure that it is well spread out onto the sheet evenly and nicely. Now use an offset spatula to level the surface to give it a very flat and smooth surface so that when the markings and then the dottings are done, it would look very nice and perfect. Now with the aid of a knife, cut 1 centimeter in length and then 2 centimeters in width on the dough in the baking sheet. For the correct and actual measurement of this, you can check out my first shortbread video on the channel, and this was posted during last month. During the Christmas holidays, for a better view and understanding of the marking and cutting process of the shortbread cookies. That video is more detailed on this aspect, which we are on right now. What's a shortbread cookies without the signature fork design of the dots on it? So in this portion, we are going to dot all the doughs on the sheet. And this is how the shortbread cookies look like. Our milk shortbread cookies are ready to be baked at 160 degrees Celsius for at least 30 minutes. After bringing out the milk shortbread cookies from the oven while it is hot, use a knife to run through the markings that were made earlier to give it the shortbread look, and release it from each other on the sheet. Now let's serve our cookies. Place them onto a plate nicely stacked on top of each other, and then pick up one of the shortbread cookies and break it apart to reveal the beautiful inner pattern in it. And this is where today's video ends. Thank you so much for watching. Make it a point to watch our new videos this and every Thursday and Sunday for wholesome content and amazing recipes you can try with your friends and family. This new year, I'll be very